Can you tell us more about your company?
Okay, so we are into manufacturing of medical implants, or orthopedic implants. So it's like a medical field, and we are connected to Haas for the last 10 years.
Nice.
So this is my new company. It's about 3 years company, and we are continuously buying Haas machines. Why we are buying Haas machines? Because the controller is very smooth. Even a new guy from a new person can easily learn the controller compared to other companies' controller like Power and Machine. And the machine is very smooth and easy to operate, easy to maintain.
Yeah.
So that's why it's my first choice to.
Nice, sir. So, how was your experience after sales services?
Sales service is very awesome. Whenever I have any problem, if I will I call at 12 at midnight, they will answer me.
Nice.
And within 24 hours, people from Philips or Haas, they will visit my company. So it's like very good. There is no loss of my production.
Yeah.
So anytime there is a breakdown, the person will immediately come to my factory. It's like very awesome experience with Haas.
I'm so happy to know it. But so, how do you feel coming to the stall today?
So obviously, Gautam is my friend, so it's like this is my last stall I'm going to visit.
Okay.
After I will go to home.
Great. Have a good day, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.